To use the mobile app for Banco Sabadell personal loan, start by downloading and installing the app from the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device. Once installed, open the app and select the language of your preference. Next, you will need to log into your account using your username and password. If you are a new user, you can register by clicking on the Register option and following the prompts to create your account. After logging in, navigate to the Personal Loan section of the app, where you can find information about the different loan options available, such as the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. To apply for a personal loan, click on the Apply Now button and fill out the application form with your personal and financial information. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of the loan before submitting your application. Once you have submitted your application, the app will notify you of the status of your loan request if approved. You will receive the loan amount in your account and can start making repayments. To make repayments, navigate to the Loan Details section of the app, where you can find information about your loan balance, repayment schedule, and payment options. You can make payments using your debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. It is essential to make your repayments on time to avoid late payment fees and interest charges. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure that your repayments are made on time. In addition to applying for a loan and making repayments, the app also allows you to track your loan balance, view your repayment history, and access your loan documents. To get the most out of the app, make sure to regularly update your account information and keep your device and app up to date. This will ensure that you have access to the latest features and security updates. By following these steps, you can easily use the mobile app for Banco Sabadell personal loan to apply for a loan, make repayments, and manage your loan account. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your loan and make your repayments on time to avoid any issues.